Look how nice they look.
Brunch that brings the breeze, catch the flavor wave.
Hosted by Cameron.
Hey brunch breezers, Happy New Year to everyone. 2026 is finally here. New year, new beginning and new brunch vibes. May 2026 bring all the love, all the happiness, all the positive and mostly brunch vibes. Speaking about brunch vibes, today we're gonna celebrate the new year. Since you all have party all night and drinking a lot of champagne, you need some brunch in the morning. But I mean the night was long, rough, and you need some rest. So you gotta make something quick. And what more quick than a few rice cakes. So today we're making 6 of those rice cakes, a few sweet, a few salty. So we take the rice cakes and we put it on the board. So the first rice cake will be with banana. The first 2 rice cakes actually. So the first rice cake will be with peanut butter and banana. So we put a few bananas on it. Okay, see? Quick and easy. The first one is done. Now we do the second one. Second one will be with bananas, maple syrup, and cinnamon. Don't put too much maple syrup on it. Now we put some cinnamon. Second one is done. So now we do 2 salty. A little cream.
Hosted by Fireman.
This one actually match my shirt a little bit. So on the first we put a little speck. On the second we put tuna fish, cherry tomato, now some honey mustard, and again some speck. And the last one will be with some orange and dark chocolate. Now we take some chocolate and just throw it. You don't need a knife for this. And there we go. Your New Year's party brunch is ready. Cream cheese with speck and cherry, cream cheese with tuna and cherry, 2 pairs of banana with peanut butter, the other with maple syrup and Brazil nut, 1 with speck and honey mustard, and 1 with orange spread and some chocolate. Look at this one. Look how nice they look.
Hosted by Fireman.
Okay guys, this was it, the first for 2026. Once again, Happy New Year to all of you. Wish you all the luck, all the best vibes, and all the happiness on this world for this year. Brunch the Breeze will do weekly episodes for the entire 26, long videos, shorts. Be sure to watch them, be sure to subscribe. Give me ideas on anything you want to see, and I'll see you through the entire 2026. Can't wait to show all of you my amazing brunch ideas. See you on the next one. Cheers for the new year 2026. I love you all.
Hosted by Fireman.
Hosted by Fireman.